What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dom's Crypto YouTube channel, where we talk about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. If you're interested in that stuff, make sure you click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming out. Today we're talking about a very popular project called NEO. We're going to talk about what NEO is, what is the technology behind NEO, and what does the future hold for that project. So let's begin talking about the basics of NEO. It's a blockchain platform and cryptocurrency. It's designed to digitize assets using smart contracts, aiming to bring blockchain to the masses. It supports common programming languages like JavaScript and C++, with improvements on its technology, making it less vulnerable to hackers than Ethereum. And as you guys know, Ethereum is the second largest project in the crypto space. NEO's goal is to become the #1 blockchain project by 2020. And of course, we'll be tracking NEO's progress here on the channel, so make sure you subscribe. So a bit about the background of NEO. NEO coin was launched as Ant shares in June 2017 and then rebranded as NEO. So it began its adventure as Ant shares. NEO has an active development team with both in-house developers in charge of developing the platform and a strong community of third-party developers who would then develop the decentralized apps, so-called dApps. So let's focus a little bit about the technology behind NEO. NEO is a unique blockchain algorithm supporting decentralized commerce, identification and digitization of various assets. It integrates blockchain technology with the digital identity, creating ways for physical assets like money or company shares, assets to be digitized and exchanged over the NEO network in a peer-to-peer manner. The aim of NEO is to build a platform on which other decentralized applications can be built by allowing users to execute smart contracts on their blockchain. So what are the advantages of NEO? There are 4 main points we're going to be focusing on. Digital assets. Traditional assets are to be converted into decentralized digital assets using smart contracts. The second advantage of NEO is the digital identity. NEO will allow the creation of electronic identity information for individuals, businesses, and entities. Another feature is the smart contracts. So NEO's smart contracts system is revolutionary in that it supports common programming languages known to 80% of the developers. So it's easy to adapt to. And as we said, 80% of developers will know how to create smart contracts on NEO because it supports the common languages. So they wouldn't have to learn a new language in order to use the smart contract feature. NEO will support the development of decentralized applications like smart funds by continuously developing more mature tools and techniques. So we spoke about some fundamentals and the technology behind NEO, and now let's talk about how it differs from other cryptocurrencies. So one of the key factors which makes NEO stick out amongst its competitors is its smart contract system and the fact that it supports common programming languages rather than just one. So we spoke about 80% of developers being able to use this straight off the bat. They don't need to learn new codes, new languages. It's very accessible. That's one of the main features, and it basically helps adoption of this technology. It's a step above Ethereum, one of the most popular smart contract-based cryptocurrencies globally, because Ethereum's contracts can only be in one language, Solidity, whereas NEO's contracts can be in JavaScript, C++, and Python. It also supports digitized commerce and identification of assets through its digital identity system, so bringing blockchain to the masses. Another major difference lies in its consensus mechanism, which is what's called a DBFT, rather than proof of work, as in most other cryptocurrencies. So the question that we are left with is, should you invest in NEO? And if you are a NEO supporter already, let me know in the comment section below. And also, make sure you share this video to spread awareness even further about this project. So should you invest in NEO? Smart contracts are the future of blockchains. Ethereum has proven this by rising to the 2nd position in the global rankings despite being relatively new. So this shows great potential if you plan to invest in NEO, which is a more user-friendly version of Ethereum in a way. So remember, Everything that I talk about is not a financial advice. You need to do your thorough checks. You need to study NEO to know exactly what they're about in order to make an educated decision on investment. I am not a financial advisor. All I can advise you on is to do your own research. Let's jump into CoinMarketCap to see the current price of NEO. So we're sitting at $9 at the moment. It's ranked 17th in the entire cryptocurrency market. And if we look at the chart, you can see some amazing price action back in January, where we were hitting around $150 for a single NEO. Right now we're sitting at $9. If the market turns and we see more pumps, you can see it's possible for this project to rise in price by a huge margin. So circulating supply is 65 million out of a total supply of 100 million. So 65% of tokens are in circulating supply. If you want to invest in NEO, it's available on over 40 markets, but I will leave a link in the description to Binance, which you can use to invest in NEO. And by using that link, you will also help the channel grow. Again, before investing any money into cryptocurrency, make sure you do your own checks so that you know what you're doing. But this was NEO for today. Let me know if you're invested, and if you are, and if you want to spread awareness about NEO, share this video. I will see you in the next one.